Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something seriously epic for all you Marvel fans, LEGO collectors, and X-Men lovers out there. We're diving into the brand new LEGO Marvel X-Men, the X-Mansion building set. Before we get into, check the link in the description to grab it at the best price. While it's in stock, this one's gonna go quick. So let's start with the basics. This is a massive buildable version of Xavier's School for Gifted Youngsters. Right out of the box, you get that clean, classic LEGO packaging, and once you open it, you're hit with a ton of bricks and a thick instruction book that walks you through everything step by step. It's a big set, not overwhelming, but definitely a solid weekend project. The final build looks amazing on display, with all the iconic architecture of the X-Mansion. You've got the classic front entrance, multiple floors, and interior rooms packed with Easter eggs from the comics and animated series. And let's talk minifigures, because this is where the fan service goes off. You get 10 detailed minifigs, including fan favorites like Professor X, Wolverine, Cyclops, Storm, Jean Grey, Beast, and even Magneto. Each one comes with unique prints and accessories, and they really bring the whole display to life. The inside of the mansion is full of nods to the X-Men universe, Cerebro, the Danger Room, the War Room, and even touches like student dorms and training gear. LEGO didn't cut corners here. They knew this one had a hit for collectors. Couple quick highlights. Pros. White check mark emoji, beautiful, display-worthy design. White check mark emoji, 10 iconic X-Men minifigs with unique details. White check mark emoji, fun, rewarding build for adult fans. White check mark emoji, tons of hidden references and comic lore. White check mark emoji, perfect gift for Marvel lovers and collectors. Cons. Warning emoji, pricey, but it's a premium collector set. Warning emoji, not ideal for younger kids, lots of small pieces. Warning emoji, you'll want a shelf just for this, it deserves it. So who's this for? If you're a Marvel or LEGO collector, or just a lifelong X-Men fan, this set is a must-have. It's part nostalgia, part creative fun, and part showpiece. Whether you're building it solo on a quiet weekend or displaying it next to your comic collection, it delivers on all fronts. Hit the link below if you want to check it out, and let me know in the comments, which X-Men team lineup is your favorite of all time. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe for more awesome LEGO and pop culture reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Victory hand emoji, brick emoji, superhero emoji.